Okay, in this video, I am going to briefly explain the best way to make corrections uh, when you're using Adobe Acrobat. Um, Here we are looking at and it is a PDF file, but it's a scan of a scan with handwritten copy, and some of the copy is pretty hard to read, and it really is a lot of work, and it's a lot of work unnecessarily. So here's what we're going to do. Basically, the way you want to do this is you want to make the corrections on the original PDF file that you received from the designer or from the originator of the file. So what you want to do is, and I'm going to work with this little change right here where we're changing the 8th to the 7th. All right. You want to go to the original file, open that up, and you'll see here's the original file. Typically, whenever I extend a job, I always create a PDF file, and I always send that along with, in most cases, I'll send it with the native file, the application that was used to create this, but I always send a PDF file, and it is on that file that you want to make the correction. And here's how easy it is. All you have to do is, if you go up to the control panel, up in Acrobat Reader, you'll notice that there's something that's called a sticky note. So all you have to do is you click on that sticky note, and you can drag it down onto your document. Again, we're just going to work with this one little correction right here. So you can hover that sticky note somewhere near to the area you want to make the correction. You click on that sticky note. You can just type in, we'll say change 7th to 8th. All right, now we click here, close it down, voila, it's done. So what will happen now is when you save this and you send it to whoever needs to actually review this correction, the person looking at it, all they have to do is they can mouse over the sticky note and they'll see the correction, or they can click on it and it will expand into a dialog box. And if there was an error, maybe it's supposed to be 9th. So you can click on the words, and you can change it, update it, and it's done. And what will happen is when the receiving party gets this, they will, and in my case, I will, scan the document wherever I see the sticky note. I'll know that there is something that needs to be addressed, and I will make that correction on the native file or the original file that this particular job was created in. So anyway, that's really the best way and the most efficient way to make corrections on an Acrobat PDF file. So hopefully that helps.